Okay, it's day 2 of the K2025 show, and I'm in hall 5 with John from Modern Dispersions. Hello, John.
Hello. How are you?
How was your fair so far? Day 2?
It's been very good. It's been very good. Day 2 seems like it's a lot more trafficked than day 1. Day 1 was good, and day 2 is better. Yeah, we're getting a lot of good traffic to our booth. There's a lot of interest in our products. And despite all the challenges out there, it seems like there's still some healthy optimism out there in the industry. So,
excellent.
Yeah.
You're a specialist masterbatcher. You're not a color house. You only do black.
Yes, that's correct. Yeah. So, we've been in the black masterbatch business for 50 years, and we consider ourselves the black masterbatch specialists. So So we are specialized in that. That's our real workhorse, and that's what we do.
And you might use some RCB?
Yes, we do. Yeah. So we've been experimenting with recovered carbon black for a long time. It's been in development for going back 10 years now. But in the past couple of years, we've gotten some traction with it, and we're now commercially selling truckloads of recovered carbon black masterbatch. It's both sustainable and also economical as well. So you get both aspects of the promises of the material.
Wow, that sounds fabulous.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah.
And you do, behind you have conductive as well?
Yeah. So, one of the, aside from the black colorant that we do, conductive compounds and concentrates are another one of our core businesses, and we have a variety of solutions across the conductive spectrum right here, from conductive to anti-static, in a variety of different resin systems.
And for that you probably use also the carbon blacks, of course, but also some of the new nanomaterials.
Yeah. So we have a lot of experience with a wide variety of conductive carbon blacks. We're seeing a lot of interest in some promising results with more nanomaterials like graphite, graphene, carbon nanotubes, a variety of hybrid formulations that are, it seems like they have some interesting properties. So there's exciting stuff out there.
And these probably require really specialist compounding experience like you have to disperse the nanomaterials, I mean.
Yeah, well, we'd like to think so. But there's definitely a learning curve to working with them. There's a learning curve to dialing the correct dosage and amounts and the processing conditions with these materials. But with our large quantity of experience in this area with carbon fillers, I think we're one of the ones best suited to do it.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, John.
Yeah. No, thank you, Martin. Yeah.
Have a nice fair.
Yeah.